can see the headers. This is a 3-litre Carrera motor with EFI. So there's the headers from GT Racing. I bought the Stinger exhaust from another fella who'd bought them brand new from GT Racing but never used them. So they were a little bit cheaper, and they've got the resonators installed. And you can sort of see the quality of the welding isn't really that great, to be honest. Like, it's quite embarrassing. I'm almost tempted to pull these off and grind them smooth and then get them re-ceramic coated. It's also got the deflector on the tip to try and keep some of the noise down towards the ground, but again, look at those welds. They're terrible. It's like whoever made the pipes first did a decent job with the welding, because you can see the welds here are quite reasonable, but then when they cut it to put the resonator in, I think they must have had the junior doing it. But yeah, no, the welds are on the resonator are shocking. Also on the heat plate, or the deflector plate. But fits okay. You've got to jiggle the headers around and whatnot to move to get them to fit, but it does fit okay. Check out the horrible welding. That's so fucking loud.